Now, first, before we get into these questions, people
Okay.
in the group have been asking literally all day about something that you asked for or you spoke about on the radio this morning, which is that caregiver program. Can you get a little bit more specific on that? Because I know a lot of people have been asking in the Facebook group about that.
Antonio, that is a great question. Let me tell you, this is a wonderful and amazing program that I didn't know about. Just happens that a friend of mine is one of the representatives of this federally funded program that provides a salary, basically a cash payment on a biweekly basis to people that are the primary caregiver of a family member. So if you are the daughter, the uncle, the cousin, the niece, the nephew, you can't be the spouse, cannot be the spouse. But if you don't have to be a relative either. You can just be a caregiver. But oftentimes the caregiver is the oldest daughter in the family or a family member who basically has to put their life on hold to provide this care. They cannot work a regular job, or if they're trying to work a regular job and take care of this person that requires a care, they have no life and they're so stressed they're going to get sick themselves. So this program is provided by a company called Senior Link. The program is called Senior Link. The contact person is Mr. John Blount, Blount, and I'll give that information out later and we'll post it. His name is Jonathan Blount. His direct phone number, his direct phone number, 470-716-5548. If you qualify for this program, and the qualifications are basically what I just told you, you have to be a caregiver, and you can't have a job. You can't have a primary income that exceeds a certain amount. So who doesn't meet that criteria? So a whole lot of people, this can be life changing for you. And the amount that they pay you is almost $900 every 2 weeks. So that amount on a monthly basis can literally be life changing. It can change the circumstance of anyone. The person that's sick doesn't have to worry about having funds for a caregiver. The person that's taking care of them doesn't have to worry about how am I going to survive? How am I going to take care of my family? How am I going to buy my groceries because I'm taking care of Papa and I'm not able to work because he requires, a continuous attention to almost 24/7. So you can do that. And the requirement is basically assuming that you're working or taking care of this person for at least 8 hours a day. That being the case, you call Mr. Blount, 470-716-5548. And again, we're going to post that information. Then you give him a call, tell him you heard about us on the Your Health is Important Facebook Live broadcast, Dr. MJ Collier, and he'll get you enrolled in the program. And that's really it. It doesn't require any financial statements, no W-2 forms, none of those types of documents. This money has been designated to use and help families, and they want to get it into your hands as quickly as possible. So follow up with Mr. Blount. Again, the program name is Senior Link, and this is for people that are caring for a loved one at home. It can be overwhelming, it can be costly, and this can be a stipend that changes your life if you are a caregiver.